Almost every single day, someone asks me, how in the world am I supposed to monetize on TikTok? Rachel, how do I make money on TikTok? I'm going to share with you 10 revenue streams, aka 10 ways to monetize your TikTok. And here's a big hint. These are not the ones that you've probably heard everyone else talking about. Let's cue that intro. And while that intro is playing, go ahead and comment below and let me know if you have been looking for how to monetize your TikTok. Hi guys, my name is Rachel Pedersen. I am at themrspedersen on TikTok. Feel free to follow me on that platform. I give even more tips every single day on TikTok for free. Now, the advice that I'm sharing about monetization, most of these 10 streams or these 10 ways to monetize your TikTok are available globally. Not 100% of them are, so please keep that in mind. But I know that this is going to serve you guys a lot because so many people only see like one or two paths from monetization versus we've taken a comprehensive look at this since I am a business owner first and a content creator second. I look at paths to monetization. I build out business ecosystems, and that's the first thing I look at before I think, okay, how can I make $1 on this platform? Or even what kind of content do I want to create on this platform? We haven't finished up our calculations of revenue directly generated from TikTok, but our last kind of rough estimate put us at over $400,000 in revenue that we've generated in our businesses alone, specifically thanks to TikTok, which is crazy. Isn't that, you guys? Can anyone else admit that that's insane? That's insane, I think. It's crazy. So let's dive on into these 10 paths to monetization, 10 income streams that you could potentially create directly from TikTok. Number 1, using your TikTok to generate leads for coaching and consulting. Now, I am not telling you that if you are not a coach or a consultant, that you should suddenly start offering these services. But for some of you guys, this makes a lot of sense. It's a natural next step. You have a level of expertise or mastery where you know you can start to offer consulting or coaching. But remember that coaching and consulting are high ticket offerings. They should not be $15 or $20 an hour. Definitely not $50 an hour. Our consulting packages are 5 to 6 figures each per client, and we're making a big push to move into 6 to 7 figure consulting packages. Remember that as crazy as this sounds, consulting is equipping a company to handle things themselves moving forward. So you actually want to charge more for consulting, as crazy as that sounds. Number 2, using your TikTok to advertise your own physical products or merch. Now I'm going to give you guys a heads up about merch and or physical products. One of the things that most people think is they assume that revenue generated by merch or physical products is total amount in pocket. The truth is, let's say you sell, for example, a shirt that's $20. If you walk away with $2 to $5 from that transaction, you've done amazing. So that doesn't account for things that go wrong, refunds, advertising costs. And I think that's why TikTok is so powerful for physical products, because there is the potential to go viral. There is the ability to take out the advertising costs and not have to worry about those. But just remember that if you're wanting to create a merch line to get like insanely rich, you have to have a really big following and be selling a lot of merch on the regular in order for it to make sense. Number 3, selling your courses, workshops, programs. This is actually a great way to make revenue from TikTok. And part of the reason for that is because it's a leveraged way for you to actually make sales and monetize your expertise without breaking the bank for small businesses or other creators. It's actually a really great way to meet in the middle with people and serve people while still making sure that you're able to make a living. Number 4, using your TikTok for selling your passive products. I'm obsessed with this one. And the reason for that is because passive products are incredible. In fact, we were looking at our spreadsheets the other day. In just January of 2021 alone, we have 4 of our products that are low ticket, passive. They don't require any more of my time. We generated over $13,000 in passive profits directly from those 3 to 4 products. It was insane. I personally really respect the power of profit, especially leveraged or passive profit. It's not easy to create, but once you do, oh my gosh, the sky is the limit. And we go on to number 5. Number 5, affiliate income from the products that you advertise. I'm going to be sharing about sponsorships in just a moment, but the crazy thing about affiliates is that you don't have to negotiate a deal. Many of the services, the software, the products that you use already have affiliate programs, and if they don't, Target and Amazon both have affiliate links and programs. So you can sign up with them if you can't sign up directly with your favorite software, products, services, etc. The beautiful thing is this is a great way to get paid for something that you're already talking about. I'm a huge fan of affiliate income when it works, because when it works, it is super powerful. Number 6, using your TikTok following to generate opportunities for speaking or writing deals. You may not believe this, but some book deals and speaking opportunities can pay 4, 5, 6, and even 7 figures per pop. It's amazing. I have personally been paid to speak. I have personally not yet secured a book deal, but I'm excited for that day. But the truth is, when you come in with a strong following on social media, it makes it that much easier to get a better offer. Number 7, using your TikTok to generate leads for services. I share this all the time with the members of the Social Click. It's so powerful. Believe it or not, but TikTok is a great place to position yourself as an expert through evergreen educational content. The beautiful thing about that is by serving people through your content with no strings attached, you will be amazed by the number of leads that you can generate for your done-for-you services, the packages that you offer. It is a game changer for any service provider. Number 8, the TikTok Creator Fund. Now, this is not my favorite, but it does work for US-based creators. This is a helpful one for anyone who isn't familiar with all these other revenue streams, but after watching this video, hopefully your mind has been expanded to some new possibilities for creating revenue streams from TikTok. Number 9, the TikTok Marketplace. After you hit 100,000 plus followers and keyword get approved, you may be approached by deals. Now, the TikTok Marketplace is not available in every single country, so please keep that in mind. But the crazy cool thing is I've secured deals through the TikTok Marketplace, and there's some really cool opportunities that pop up there. So it can be actually a great place to get the ball rolling, especially without needing to go through negotiations and handling a media kit, etc. And number 10, sponsorship deals. Now, they may contact you on other places such as Instagram most of the time. They may contact you through your website. You may need to do outreach for deals or find an agent like I have. I think it's a great way to make sure that you're consistently bringing in sponsorship opportunities. We take on a lot of sponsorships. This is a legit source of our income, which I think is very, very exciting. I'm curious to know which of these 10 streams of revenue or these 10 ways to monetize on TikTok are you going to implement? Let me know in the comments below. Oh, and by the way, I put together an awesome and powerful freebie for you. You can check it out in the comments beneath this video. If you've enjoyed this video, subscribe to my channel because I don't want you to miss out on all of the amazing tutorials I have coming your way. I'll catch you guys later. Bye for now. Why can't I talk right now? That one was a struggle. Goodness gracious, what is happening?